Hi, my name is Twyla Lapointe, and I'd like to teach you how to take photos that don't suck. In my carefully crafted beginner photography class, I teach about how to take photos and about your camera in totally normal English with all the technical stuff explained. Are you tired of taking photos that don't turn out, struggling with understanding your camera and really knowing how to use it? If you'd like just to have a 3-hour course with a professional photographer who can give you practical advice and answer your big questions, I would love to work with you. Just bring yourself, your camera, and your favorite pen or digital device for taking notes. All classes will include one-on-one help with your current camera, as well as what makes a good camera, what makes a good picture, how to solve common problems like red eye, blurriness, and weird color, tips and tricks to fix or prevent problems, what to do with your pictures after you take them, interacting with people and pets, interacting with landscapes, understanding yourself, how and what you like to snap, how to think about taking, culling, and editing photos. Culling is a fancy word for choosing just the photos that you'd like to keep. And practical applications, aka going out to take pictures. Classes are held by demand, but the next class time is pending a vote, so choose your dates right away. I'm really looking forward to working with you. See you soon!